Hi everyone, so today let us take one of the behavioral kind of question. This has been asked at Flipkart. How do you handle disagreements with the CEO or other executive or product direction? So I will take the approach of uh, disagreement with anyone. It could be CEO or executive. So disagreement with peers, disagreement with seniors. It could be PM, executive or CEO. So in both the cases, one thing that I would try to do or highlight would be the data points to support my argument. First thing that I can do is highlight all the data points or evidence that I have. And second thing I could do is the provide real world examples. And this real world examples could be user reviews, comments by user comments or let's write it feedback, user feedback. This could be another source of information for us in these scenarios. Another thing we could do is uh, collate the hypo. For example, if we take any of the hypothesis and why something is working, for example, why when we are launching a product or trying to prioritize a feature, why should we prioritize a feature? And there is a disagreement regarding that. That few members from the product team or executive team not want to prioritize this. They have their own regions, maybe request from the sales team for some features or anything. So how we can present our argument is we can extrapolate the hypothesis. By extrapolate, we mean what would be the impact in terms of user experience on the revenue. So we take a bunch of metrics that are relevant for that particular feature and try to gauge the impact on those metrics and see how well they perform. Of course, this would be a hypothesis or not a real world scenario, or we can take a previous example if we have launched something similar and measure and showcase those impacts. That could be a one approach. And this competitive research is whenever we are trying to launch a new feature or there is a disagreement, we can showcase the result or the output from a competition. Supposing we are from a fintech space and there is a similar feature launched by another fintech company, we can showcase that what is the impact on their um, number of downloads or adoption metrics or any of those metrics after they have launched that feature. There are multiple ways in which we can present our argument, present our point of view when we are whenever there is a disagreement. And now this is specific about the product direction. So product direction could involve the the areas on which we are trying to focus. This could be related to this could be related to new user experience or anything related to that. So I think that's all. In the next video, maybe we can take up any different product question or assignment or the learning that I have been. That is all. Thank you.